SMAC Steel is a comprehensive ERP designed for steel fabrication industries, designed by the industry experts themselves. It covers pre-engineered buildings, heavy steel fabrication, and also all other types of steel fabrications. It covers all the modules required for steel fabrication industry like CRM and sales, design, inventory, production, projects, financials, and a lot more. The CRM and sales module covers all the things required for steel fabrication marketing. It covers lead management, inquiry management, estimation quotation, sales order, all the approvals, technicals, performa invoice, sending stability certificates, cancellation letters, and a lot more. So let's check out the costing and estimation part. You can print your technical quotation in which all the technical details are mentioned, like the brick wall height, the type of steel which will be used, the codes used, and all the other related information. Also, you can go for the commercial quotation in which all the commercial details are mentioned which you entered earlier. It contains all the things like accessories, crane beam, and whatnot. With this ERP, you can manage your design department with ease. You can measure their performance, output, integrate with various softwares like Tekla, MBS, and a lot more. You can manage all your drawings at one place. You can simply select the job ID, the type of drawing like shop floor, GA, or any other drawing. Double click and open it. You can also measure the drawings. If you want to do, you can take your printouts. You can also download the drawings if you want to your local PC. This prevents all the hassles of mailing the drawings and all, so saving a lot of time. The BOM versus production versus dispatch details lets you know what was given by the design department, what you have produced, and what you have dispatched. This single report helps you track all the parts of your steel fabrication. Also, it helps you track your parts based on the shipping list, like ship 1, ship 2, and so on. Production is my favorite part of this ERP. In production module, you can do your cutting or sharing planning, or your job plannings. Then you can create your job card, enter daily productions, and a lot more. Like this is a sample job card which you can simply create and give it to the floor for further production. You can also control the complete QC quality checking of your production. This single report gives you the complete status of all your jobs. You can see how much are they dispatched, what is pending, and also at different stages like rigid frames, cold form, sheeting, and is their production completed or not. So basically all the things of the job can be monitored from this single place. Production report is one of the most comprehensive report. You can see your daily production report, monthly production report, or even weekly production report. You can also automate it to send the daily production report on your email. Also, you can see a production report based on jobs or H-beam or welding and many other ways. You can even manage your production in multiple plants or production you have given to other vendors. Improve your off-cut utilization and reduce scrap with advanced sharing planning tool. You can manage your complete purchase and inventory with this ERP. You can create indents, purchase orders, your material receiving, material issue, job work orders, pre-approved rate list, and a lot more. The main part of this ERP is raw material planning, which is a very necessary thing for steel fabrication industry. With the raw material planning module, you can do the planning for your HR sheets, coils, accessories, and a lot more. You can do planning based on the month. As per your planned jobs, you can do the planning based on the approval of the jobs and a lot more. It automatically calculates the material required for the job, already issued material, and the free stock. So basically what it does is it helps you reduce your buffer stock, minimize your inventory cost, and minimum it will reduce your inventory by 20%. Create your packing list with these without the hassles of Excel sheet. Just drag and drop and your packing list is created. You will now never forget any part on the site. Also, it automatically checks your orders and keeps your cost under control, like freight check, weight check using Kata weight, and a lot more. So now you do not need to worry about sending wrong items or having a loss in the project. With this ERP, you can completely monitor all your projects department. You can see the status of the different jobs, you can see the disturbances, problems in the jobs, and everything required for project management. You can simply click on the stages of the jobs to see the jobs at various stages, like say anchor bolt stage or sheeting stage or any other stage. You can even see in the graphical way how much your project has been completed. It covers all other aspects of project management, like you can create payment advices for your director, you can do the project quality checking, you can create erection contracts and upload the daily project status very easily. You can even upload all the images of the sites and every document management. Even you can monitor the site material. With SmackSteel ERP, you can easily control your costing and also the client statements. You can see the payments received, the bills raised, and simply click on preview and you can send the statement to the client also. It helps you reduce your daily tasks and make you more efficient. SmackSteel ERP is developed for steel fabrication industries and pre-engineered building manufacturers. We ourselves have more than 15 years of experience in steel fabrication, so know what you need. So this covers everything from your design department to your dispatch departments. It also integrates with your existing softwares like Tally or Busy, Tekla, MBS or any other software you want. We also offer complete customizations. I can guarantee you it would be very beneficial for your industry, and instead of using multiple Excel softwares and everything, just a single place to manage all your documents, all your historical jobs, all your generating all the documents, approvals, emails and everything at single place. So make sure to check out SmackSteel ERP.